from Romania, Professor Dr. Michael Valkovo from Slovakia, and we have, if I can recognize from the audience, we have Bushra Iqbal Saiba, we have Dr. Imtiaz Ahmed, we have Dr. Maria Ruxana, we have Dr. Shabir Ahmed Sahab, and my memory is short, I failed to recognize so many names and faces. Thank you, sir, for being a part of this, even for giving us encouragement to work for a global agenda that is about global peace and it's about universal love on the basis of understanding others' faith. The theme of the conference, we talk about interfaith dialogue. I think in interfaith dialogue, there are three important components. One, we talk about dialogue. Second one is understanding. And ideally, it's friendship. And I hope we have started the journey with one of from our friends from different parts of the world. I will put emphasis in terms of the knowledge, the understanding. We need an understanding on the basis of genuine knowledge. We tend to have doubts, we tend to have misperception, we tend to have misunderstanding about others' faith. Ignorance is an evil, and on the basis of ignorance, we put fatwa, we pass judgment. But the core issue is to have an understanding about other faith as well. On the basis of what I call is knowledge. Being a Muslim, we believe it is our duty to gain knowledge. Let me quote that if you read Quran, the second most used word in Quran after God is ilm or knowledge. Let me quote the hadith of Prophet, peace be upon him. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said that the ink of a scholar is more scared than the blood of martyr. So that's the prophetic teaching, focusing about the scholarly work, focusing about the knowledge. I travel with the help of God. I have traveled most of the part of the world, so I got friends from in terms of Jewish, Christians, Buddhism, Hinduism as well. And when I study them and I have understanding, all these religions, they put emphasis about knowledge and learning. Common aspects in different religions about the knowledge and learning. Learning is a process, and आप किसी भी स्टेज पे पहुंच जाए, whatever stage you reach, you have to engage in this process of learning. Put mind, this is a prerequisite. जब तक आप दिल और दिमाग को नहीं खोलेंगे, ऊपर नहीं करेंगे, you cannot gain knowledge, you cannot gain understanding. So, it's a good initiative, a part of Islamic Learning Department and the University of Karachi that we have organized this event. And I must confess, the work and commitment put by different people. It was not an individual effort. I must appreciate the role of everyone, Professor Dr. for being with us. And one of my friends from Edinburgh University, Dr. Madni Sahab. He is kind enough to be here with us. Madni Sahab se aksar inse रहनुमाई हासिल करते रहते हैं. So I am myself in the learning process. So in the end, I think we are thankful to our foreign delegates, to our local representatives, and everyone that we have made this even a successful. Thank you.